I'm James, and I want to welcome you to my channel where we take a look at what's happening in the world of digital marketing, try to learn a little something, and then use what we learn to go out and do something great. In this video, affiliate marketing, comparing to three other business models, I'm going to be taking a look at four of the most popular business models, one of which is affiliate marketing. You know, there are so many people today that are looking for a way out of their regular 9 to 5 jobs or to supplement their income. They're looking for something that's easy to get into, maybe use their hobbies for an online presence. And I thought that it would be a good idea to look at some of these models and see what the real deal is. There are several online business models out there, but we're going to be taking a look at the pros and cons of four and see which one comes out on top. Now, I ask that you watch all the way to the end of this video so that you have the most information to make the best decision about which model is best for you. And also, I do have a free gift for staying all the way to the very end. I also ask that you please give a like and subscribe to my channel so that as I develop more videos, they will be delivered to you. So without further ado, let's hop right in. The four business models we're going to be talking about today are dropshipping, e-commerce, blogging, and affiliate marketing. Now, with dropshipping, it's a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You rely on suppliers to ship directly to the customers. In dropshipping, you have some input in the process. Maybe you design graphic t-shirts or mugs or cards, and you get to upload your design for someone else to print, and then they send it for you. You never receive that shirt. You simply make the order that the customer wants, and then you mark up the price for your profit, and then you go out and then it's shipped to them, but you have to advertise your wares. E-commerce. Now, technically, drop shipping is a type of e-commerce, but I definitely wanted to separate out drop shipping from the broader category of e-commerce for this video, because when e-commerce, you need to think of it like you own an online store, you own a website, and you sell products directly to customers. Maybe you're great at jewelry making, so you market your pieces through an online store. You purchase the raw goods to make your jewelry, and then you own the inventory for yourself. You have it stored somewhere, and then when someone makes a purchase, you are the one shipping it directly from you to the customer. And that's e-commerce. But possibly you would use a shop like Etsy or Shopify to sell your goods. Dropshipping and e-commerce, they are very closely related, but we're going to see that there are some important differences between the two. The third, blogging, is a popular online business model, and it revolves around creating and publishing valuable content to a specific target audience in a niche or topic. As a blogger, you can share your expertise, your insights, the experiences you had about things, software or products. You can attract an audience interested in your subject matter. That's the goal. This audience becomes the foundation for monetization through various means, through advertising, through sponsored content, or even selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. And just like how dropshipping and e-commerce were closely related, blogging and our final model, affiliate marketing, can work hand in hand as well. Affiliate marketing is a thriving online business model. It revolves around promoting products or services of other companies and then earning commissions for successful referrals. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to create your own products yourself. You don't hold inventory. You don't try to make the next big thing because someone else has made that thing. Your focus is simply driving traffic and leads to that merchant's website through various marketing channels, social media, email marketing, and even blogging. And then you earn a commission upon a successful referral. So those are the four business models we're going to be comparing. And the first aspect we're going to compare is the initial investment and ongoing overhead costs. Drop shipping entails lower upfront costs since you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, You only purchase products from suppliers after customers place orders, of which you've marked up the price to make a profit. The main expenses involve setting up your online presence, your store, website development, domain registration, costs for running ads because you have to get the word out for people to come and find you. Shipping and handling might be a cost. It definitely is a cost, but am I going to pass that on to the customer, or am I going to pay for the shipping and handling and offer free shipping? Possibly drop shipping platform subscription, not to mention the time it takes to run this process. E-commerce as a business model demands even more substantial investments compared to drop shipping, making it even more capital intensive as a venture. One of the significant expenses in e-commerce is the need to purchase and stock inventory upfront. Sourcing products requires very careful consideration and research to ensure you offer high quality items that will appeal to the customers that you have. Once you have the products on hand, the challenge then is managing the storage. Like, are you going to use a warehouse? Where am I going to actually put everything? In my garage? What if I grow? Where's it going to go now? How do I keep track of the inventory? How do I find that green shirt that they ordered when I have stacks and stacks of shirts everywhere? That involves finding adequate space, implementing effective inventory management systems. Furthermore, logistics management becomes crucial in ensuring timely deliveries to customers. The process of creating and maintaining an online store also adds to this initial investment. That's, again, website development, domain registration, potentially hiring a skilled web designer to optimize the user experience on your site. Additionally, shipping and handling expenses can quickly accumulate, impacting the overall cost structure of the e-commerce model. Now, in blogging, starting a blog, great opportunity. There are some initial costs for domain registration and hosting, though. The real essence lies in attracting a substantial audience to your blog. This endeavor demands time and consistent dedication to curate compelling content that will keep your readers engaged and keep them coming back for more. As your blog gains momentum, there is potential for generating revenue through advertisements and sponsorships. Nevertheless, it is crucial to acknowledge that achieving significant earnings in this manner necessitates patience and persistent commitment to delivering value for your readers. Fostering a loyal, engaged community around your blog is paramount. With perseverance and dedication, your blog can evolve into a lucrative online business adventure. Now, affiliate marketing is an online business model that offers a notable advantage in terms of its minimal initial investment requirements. You can start your affiliate journey by crafting valuable content centered around products or services that you are genuinely passionate about. As you build a loyal and trusting audience, you can seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your content. The beauty of this model lies in the fact that you don't have to deal with inventory management, no shipping logistics. Once your audience finds value in your recommendations and purchases through your affiliate links, you earn commissions without the typical hassle associated with traditional businesses. With dedication and being true to your audience, affiliate marketing provides a very promising pathway to generate income and build a sustainable online business. Now let's look at how flexible and scalable these business models are. In dropshipping, they can be impressively flexible since it allows an entrepreneur to focus solely on marketing and customer acquisition without the burden of handling inventory or shipping logistics. This hands-off approach makes it easier to test new products and niches swiftly. However, its scalability can be limited because you're relying on supplier quantities. If they're out of the blue shirt, but everybody wants the blue shirt, you can't sell the blue shirt. Will this product stay in stock? You have no control over that. You are also going to see potential challenges in maintaining product quality and shipping times as the business grows. E-commerce itself provides greater control over the entire supply chain because you have the quantities on hand. It makes it more scalable. However, the need to purchase and manage the inventory up front, along with the complexities of warehousing and logistics, can tie up significant capital and resources. That, coupled with business expansion, makes maintaining consistent product quality and efficient fulfillment to your customers increasingly challenging, potentially leading to customer dissatisfaction. This rigid nature of e commerce works to limit the ability to pivot or adapt quickly to changing market trends or customer preferences. The color of shirt you ordered so many of suddenly isn't selling anymore, but you're stuck with the inventory and the storage. This inflexibility and risk makes me hesitant to go into e commerce as a long term business option. Now, blogging as an online business model has potential in both flexibility and scalability, but with some reservations. On one hand, bloggers enjoy the creative freedom to explore diverse topics and really engage with their audience. This flexibility allows them to adapt their content based on reader feedback and changing interests. But achieving substantial scalability can be a slow and challenging process. Building a loyal readership and attracting enough traffic to monetize through ads, sponsorships, or product sales demands consistent time and effort. Blogging does offer a way to generate passive income and business expansion, but it may not match the rapid scalability seen in other online ventures. You'd have to really find a balance between flexibility and scalability to make blogging viable, in my opinion. You will have to be very patient and very dedicated to the craft of blogging to establish a sustainable business model. There are ways, however, of using a blog to drive traffic toward other models, like affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands out as a highly flexible and scalable online business model. It's flexible in that you can promote a wide range of products or services in a niche you're passionate about without the need to handle inventory or manage customer support. This versatility will let you explore different markets and cater to diverse audiences. Often, affiliate marketing offers scalability potential as your business grows. Once you establish a solid affiliate marketing strategy and build a loyal audience, scaling is as easy as simply expanding your affiliate partnerships or engaging in new marketing channels, all while still capitalizing on your existing online presence. This ability to continually adapt, diversify, and increase earnings makes affiliate marketing the most attractive choice to me. But what do we really want to know? What is that one comparison that we're all just dying to find out about? It's the question, what's the income potential? How much money can I really make, right? Well, both dropshipping and e-commerce present opportunities for high profit margins. They really do. But they come with an elevated level of risks and expenses. In dropshipping, the lack of direct control over inventory and shipping can lead to potential delays and quality issues, affecting customer satisfaction and ultimately impacting your profits. On the other hand, e-commerce involves substantial upfront investments in purchasing and managing inventory, and that carries the risk of unsold products and tied up capital. You thought those blue mugs were going to be a hit, but everyone is asking for red t-shirts instead. Again, the costs associated with warehousing, logistics, and shipping can impact how profitable you can be at the end of the day. People in both models have to weigh these risks and expenses to make sure that they have a successful and sustainable online business. Now, blogging holds potential for significant income, but it's important to recognize that achieving those earnings requires a lot of time and dedication. Building a sizable and engaged audience doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistent effort to produce valuable and attention grabbing content that will resonate with your readers. As a blogger gains traction and builds a loyal following, Revenue streams such as ads, sponsorships, and product sales can start to materialize, but the chances are that that profitable revenue stream will be gradual in coming to you. It takes much patience and a lot of persistence to start and maintain a successful blogging business. With commitment and focus on providing value to the audience, blogging can eventually become a rewarding avenue for generating income and fulfilling your entrepreneurial aspirations. But affiliate marketing, to me, has the best income potential. And what's more enticing is that it comes with comparatively lower risks. As you build a loyal and engaged audience, you can tap into the power of passive income through multiple affiliate partnerships. This means you can earn commissions on successful referrals without the burdensome responsibility of inventory management or customer support. With dedication and creating content, affiliate marketing is allowing people just like you and me to find profitable partnerships with reputable companies, paving the way for a steady and potentially lucrative stream of passive income. So that's my recommendation out of the four models. Affiliate marketing. I believe that all online business models have their merits, but affiliate marketing really shines in terms of low initial investment, minimal overhead costs, and it's highly scalable. It provides flexibility for you to promote products you genuinely believe in and offers excellent income potential with less time and effort. Of course, success in any online business requires dedication. So choose the one that aligns with your passion and skills. Again, my recommendation is for affiliate marketing because the nature of it is relatively low risk, high reward. And specifically, I recommend looking into high ticket affiliate marketing. There are many affiliate marketing companies out there. Many of the big names like Amazon and Walmart have programs, but most of them pay out very little percentages to their affiliate marketers. There is a category in affiliate marketing itself called high ticket affiliate marketing. What I'm more interested in is that those partnerships with companies that will pay out many more times higher than these other companies per sale. And because I believe in the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing for you, I'm offering you the free gift that I mentioned earlier. Simply click the link in the pinned comment below to get the free cheat sheet that lays out 3 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. So make sure you do click that link. I don't want you to miss out on the info there. Thank you for watching this video, Affiliate Marketing, comparing to 3 other business models. That's all I have for now. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so as I develop more content and videos like this, they'll be delivered to you. Also, let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and make sure you do click that link for that free gift also in the comments below. Now let's get out there and let's go do something great.